up, I'm doing the switch again because this is going in the girls' room. Basically, once it's done, I've got to cut out this bit here for the light switch bit to go in, and then it will be drilled through here through the actual light switch being put on it. Once it's actually up, I will take pictures and I will show you exactly what I mean and how it's going to end up. So I've got 100ml of resin here. I've got my heat mat on because it's thin, so it's going to take ages to dry, and I need it for tomorrow. I'm probably knowing my mate's husband tomorrow morning. So I'm going to tip some in here, right to there, and that onto there. Leave that there, that white. Right, okay. I've got different powders from different places. That's just a cheap one that I bought when I very first started. This is WR something or other, it's there. And then I've got some of this glitter that I got off of Temu, and my old faithful resinate, who don't exist anymore. That's my white. So I'm going to mix up my pink. So because it's powder, it doesn't matter how much you put in. Just make sure it's mixed in thorough. And it's quite a, let's give it a little bit more. That was a little bit for me, wasn't it? Yeah, I usually say that and the old pot goes in. Right, okay, so that's my pink. I'm going to put some pink glitter in it. I'm not done it so it's overtook it at all. It's just giving it a bit of a glisten. And then my blue. Can't slow down with my can't take my time with this one because I've got the heat mat on, which means it's going to be starting to get the resin going. Oh, that's very, very light, isn't it? Add a bit more in there. That was very see-through. Can't think of the word. It's a bit better, not very, very, I want it solid. Don't want it so you can see through it so much. That's better. And then I'm gonna add, oh look, Oh well, doesn't matter. Blue's going in there anyway. I'm gonna add my blue glitter. So that's the pink and the blue. And then the white. Because it's a paste, give it a bit of a mix. And that will be more than enough, I would have thought. Yay! Here we go, people. Oh, God, Sandra. Lucky that didn't come off onto my trousers. I keep dropping loads of stuff just lately. I don't even know what happened there. I just know it went straight out my hand. I'm going to put the pink and the blue down first. Just going to leave that as that. So I've got a little bit left over. So if I can, which I can't, move it. Great. That's not quite what I wanted. Right. Stick that over there. Right there. I'm going to have to do it without the mat. Let that all cure, and then I'll show you what it all looks like once it's done. I'll see you soon. Come on. These are all dry. I'm going to take these ones out first. I want to see what these look like. These are just all the little bits, wasn't they? Oh, look. I like that. That's just the plain blue. I'll go for these ones first. Huh? Shame the colours haven't sort of like come up and gone back like they did on that one. Sort of like stayed in the middle a bit more, didn't they? But they're cute. Oh, look. Hee. Sound like a kid in a bloody sweet shop, don't I? I like the like crackle effect inside. Can you see that? I like that. Right. Oh, there's a little heart. A little blue heart. Right, these are the ones I wanted to see. Oh, I like that. I like that one as well. They're cute. I like them. They are sweet. That was a bit too small, I think, for a necklace. Could do if I had a smaller chain. I haven't got a small chain, but I suppose I could do like a little kid's one. But I like them. Shame, it's weird how that one is completely different, but then I suppose that one had more pink in it, didn't it? But yeah, they're cute. I do like the like crackly effect in them. Oh, it's in that one mainly, isn't it? Anyway, main event, this one. This is the light switch. Looks really nice at the back. It's Hope. That's quite good as well. A bit too much blue, not enough pink, I think. But it's fine. I like it. It's cute. Don't want it really thick, because obviously it's for the light switch. So I'm going to put that down there. So somehow I've got to take this bit out and mark the shape and like do a little recess for it to sit in, hopefully. But I'm going to go and drink my tea because I've only just got up and I was looking forward to seeing what this looked like. It looks like it could do with a... Not so bothered about this bit in here. I'm just thinking about the outside. I'll give it a polish up later. Anyway, I'll be back soon.